In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Apollo.io account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to expect when ending your subscription, so you can wrap things up with confidence. Before we jump in, a quick heads up. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Apollo.io workspace and that you have the right permissions. Typically, an admin or billing owner role is required to manage plans. It's also a good idea to glance at your renewal date and understand whether cancellation takes effect immediately or at the end of your current billing period. If you rely on Apollo data or reports, consider whether you need to save anything important before you finalize the change. Let's get started. From your Apollo.io dashboard, begin by opening Admin Settings. You'll usually find this in the main navigation or under your Profile menu. Admin Settings is the central place where organization-wide controls live, including billing and subscriptions. If you don't see it, you may be using an account without the necessary access, so you'll need someone with admin or billing privileges to proceed. Once you're in Admin Settings, look for and click on Plan Overview. This section gives you a clear snapshot of your current subscription. Things like your plan type, the number of seats, your next renewal date, and your billing details. It's a great moment to review what you're paying for and confirm that you're in the right place to make changes. On the Plan Overview page, you'll see the option to cancel your plan. Select the Cancel option to begin. Apollo may present a brief set of prompts or a short survey to confirm your choice and outline what happens next. Take a moment to read any notices about effective dates, access changes, or proration. When you're ready, confirm the cancellation. In many cases, your plan will remain active through the end of the current billing cycle, and then access will adjust or stop based on the terms shown. You may receive an on-screen confirmation and often an email summarizing the change. Keep that for your records. That's it. To recap, open Admin Settings, go to Plan Overview, and cancel your plan from there. After canceling, double-check your account to verify the status and note any final charges or remaining access. If you plan to return later, you can usually reactivate or choose a different plan from the same Plan Overview area. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, take a moment to review your billing timeline and save any data you might need, and you'll have a smooth transition off your Apollo.io plan.